Smith and another for your man. Hey, today is a how-to on how to replace your low beams. So if you have a Toyota Corolla, the 03 to 08 model year, your plug-and-play model is just like this, right? Has a little tip right there. You see that black tip right there on the edge? That's what detaches from the actual housing over here, and I'll show you guys that in a minute. But anyways, the proper size for the 03 to 08 Corolla low beam is 9,006. So 9.6. If you're replacing your high beams, let me go down. Low beams 9.6, high beams 9.5. I'm switching to LED formats because I don't like the regular halogens, so I'm pretty much just going to show you what that is right now. If you guys look in here, I've got a whole bunch of wiring going on over the years. I've had different headlight setups, so excuse this. But if you're on the passenger side of the vehicle, because this is the easier side, it's the same process for the other side, but I'm just going to show you. If you go over, you're going to see the low beam housing right here, and you're going to see this right here. These wires won't be here for you guys. That's just for me because I have an LED setup and I have my wires running to my battery. So none of this right here will be here for you guys. It'll simply just be this right here. All you do is you grab it. You're going to twist it either to the left or right. In my case, I twisted it to my left and it pops right out, right? Like this. Boom. Pops out from the housing, right? But it doesn't disconnect from the wiring. So all you do from there is you grab it. Remember those clips I talked to you about in the beginning? Right there, that clip, all you do with your finger is you pull it back a little bit and you slide it out. That's all it is, right? Put that there, it's the halogen setup. It's the new LED. You grab it here, and you go back. Make sure that you have this side on up, excuse me. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so bear with me, guys. All right, you're gonna squeeze it together like this. Remember, these clips have to go together. To hear a click. That was a very low click. And then simply all you're going to do, you don't want your headlight to actually touch anything metal, especially when the battery's in because it's live. But anyways, I've done this so many times, it's you know, it doesn't even matter anymore. But these are $30 also, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, if I need some more, I'll get some. But anyways, you're going to grab it, guys. Once it's connected back, you're going to put it in. You see those little notches? It should be about 3. Showing you about 1. Make sure they line in. Align. You're gonna make sure they're all in there. And you're gonna twist it to the right or the left, whatever locks them into place. In my case, it was the right. And that's simply it. Now, I'm gonna show you guys the difference between the low beams and the between the LED low beams and the halogen low beams. All right. So this is the side I didn't do, the driver's side, and that's the halogen, right? Really foggy. I only had them in there because my nephew was using my vehicle. And these are the LEDs. See the difference? And the reason why I'm putting these in there is because they match my LED turn signals, but that's a whole different video. If you guys are curious on this size, I can definitely get that for you. It definitely updates the vehicle. This is a 07. It definitely has a more updated look. This housing right here will eventually be replaced because it's pretty old. I'm going to get something a little clearer, so that way I have LEDs all the way around and it could be clear. It's a little bit of fogginess going on here, but I just want to show you guys the difference again between halogen, LED. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Love ya. Peace.